If you're looking for a delicious breakfast burger, this is the wrong place. Today I'm going to show you how to get Meta AI on Instagram. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how you can access Meta AI, which is a relatively new feature on a few apps such as Instagram. Let us jump straight in. So the first thing we want to do is go over on our Instagram account from our homepage to our chats or our messages, which can be located on the top right hand side of the screen. You're going to tap on that and this is where you will get to. Now, once you're here, you can go ahead and you can actually just go ahead and open any one of your chats, and you can see in the text box, you can go ahead and type at, and you're going to type Meta. Now, once you've done this, it'll actually pop up and you can now start using Meta AI to actually chat with any one of your contacts. Now, the reason that it's not available here is because it is still, as I mentioned before, relatively new. It has not been released to absolutely everybody, and it has also not been released in every country. So this is a good way of checking. So you're going to just go into your chat, type in @Meta. If there's a prompt that comes up, you will see it and it'll actually look something like this, and you will now be able to use Meta AI on Instagram. One of the other things just to make sure is going out to your Play Store, and once you're in your Play Store, you're going to go ahead and you're going to type in Instagram, and you're going to make sure that it looks something like this. So it says uninstall and open. If there is an icon that says update, you want to make sure that you tap on update and make sure your Instagram is up to date. This will also allow you to have all of the latest features of the latest version of Instagram. If this was helpful, go ahead, drop us a like, and we'll see you in another awesome video. Cheers for now.